In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can improve video quality on Facebook. Improving video quality on Facebook is essential for increasing user engagement, brand credibility, and visibility. Better video quality also enhances retention rates and boosts visibility in users' feeds, giving you a competitive edge in the digital landscape. To do this, simply head into your Facebook. On your Settings page, tap on Settings and Privacy. Then select on Settings. On this page, you will have to scroll down onto the section of Media. On Video Quality, make sure to select Optimized. When selected, your video quality will get better whenever you are either watching or uploading a video on Facebook. That's how easy it is to enable high-quality videos on Facebook. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.